take a 22mm socket and remove these lug nuts on the wheel. Now I'm going to remove the wheel. I'm going to take this nut off first. I'm going to use some locking pliers behind just to hold the stud from spinning. Now what you could do is take an 18mm wrench and then a socket on the end of this and loosen it up that way. But this is a lot easier using the 18mm socket. You might have to tighten this up a little more. And take that nut off. Now with that separated, I also separated the other side, and that makes it easier. It's always a good idea to do them both in pairs. And then you can slide this down, and then you can gain access to this nut. And we'll do the same on this one. Use some locking pliers, hold the stud from spinning. 18mm socket. It comes right off. Now take the new link and slide it up. You're going to slide the stud towards the middle of the vehicle and put the nut on. Use an 18mm wrench, then an 18mm socket. Tighten this down first. Torque this nut to 55 foot-pounds. Slide that into the bottom of the strut. Take the nut, put that on. Take an 18mm wrench on the inside, 18mm socket. Tighten this up. Torque this to 59 foot-pounds. All right, now I'm going to put the tire back on. And put the lug nuts on. Now we're going to tighten the lug nuts down to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. I'll just go around again, double check.